for giving me this opportunity. In fact, I want to first of all thank the leader of the Senate for bringing this motion this morning, because NNPC is a very mega company in the world, not only in Nigeria. Anything that happens to NNPC happens to all Nigerians. Our income comes from NNPC. 90-something% of our income comes from NNPC. But, the foreign exchange component of it. The leader have just shown that he's leader of the Senate, because it is not good for any committee or individuals to criminalize a big company like NNPC. It's unacceptable by all of us. It is not acceptable at all, because this is a life wire of the economy of this country. I also want Comrade, His Excellency, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, to withdraw that statement. It will make good to this Senate that will be asked to withdraw that statement publicly, so that it will be on record that he withdraws the statement. He was a good governor, a good legislator, but possibly it's a slip of tongue. It's not good to make such statements in a public place, because our future, my future, your future, the leader's future, all of us, our future lies in this country. We have no other country than this country. I transact business internationally, and I want to be respected. Please, Mr. President, not only in speaking on rhetorics here, I would like you to call on Adams Oshiomhole to just withdraw the statement quietly, so that we can be on the same standard. There are procedures for any committee to do something. If a committee you are chairing or you are a member of are going astray, you call them to order and give them direction of the rules. Let them follow the rules. So there's nothing wrong in summoning anybody or issuing warrant of arrest, but it has to be done properly by the procedure of the Senate. Thank you, Mr. President, for giving me this opportunity.
Senator Lalo.